And a small notepad. The guards were a little nervous.
Hi. Oh, you are home. You are not in your grandparents' house anymore. How are you, Annie?
Jokes, Rocket Girl.
Hi,
Very good.
Annie. Are you okay? Yes. Okay, that's good to know. It's good to see you happy, Annie. Please make yourself comfortable and we will start right away. Annie, wait, let me share my screen first. Okay, so we'll have the continuation of the discussion we had last time. We have here the things we use, specifically the school supplies. Now, again, wait, let me cover it first. Let me see if you can remember it. What is it again, Annie? Can you say it again? Okay, folder. Folder. Okay, next one, what is it?
Box.
Very good, what is it?
Water bottle.
Well done, what is it? It's
Dictionary.
okay, dictionary. Okay, very good. What about this one? What is it? It's a calcu. Can you remember it, Annie? Calculator. Yes, calculator, Annie. And the last one, it's what is it? Can you remember this? Or maybe you have it? What is it?
I
It's
don't.
oh, you don't know. It's stapler, Annie. It's a stapler. So, again, we have dictionary, calculator, and stapler. Okay, stapler. I think you have these things at home, Annie. Now, let us proceed to this one. Okay, where was the folder? It was on the table. Okay, it was on the table. Where was the lunchbox, Annie?
It's on the table.
It was.
It was. It was on the table.
Okay, yes, that is right. Or you can as well say it was next to the folder. Okay, you can say it like that. Now, where was the water bottle?
Was on the table.
Okay, yes, it was on the table. Or you can give me another answer, Annie. It was beside or it was next to the lunchbox. Or you can as well say it was next to the dictionary. Okay, but yes, of course, you can always say it was on the table. Where was the dictionary?
Was on the table.
See, just the same answers, right? Now, in here, I want you to give me another one. Not on the table, Annie. Where was the calculator? Where was the calculator, Annie?
It was under the table.
Okay, it was, you can say, it was in front of the dictionary. Okay, now, where was the stapler?
It was on the it was a It was behind the calculator.
Okay, yes. Thank you so much, Annie. Now, let us have the next one. Okay, so what was on the table, Annie? What was on the table?
There on the table.
Okay, a folder was on the table. What was on the sofa? What was on the sofa?
Dictionary was on the sofa.
Very good. What was on the bookshelf? A water bottle was on the bookshelf. Very good. And what was on the chair?
A lunch box was on the chair.
Okay, under the chair. What was on the computer?
The
What is it?
Calculator
Later.
on the table.
Was on the computer, Annie. On the computer. Okay. What was on the desk?
Stapler was on the desk.
Okay, yes, very good, Annie. There you have it. Okay, so now let us have after. Okay, still. Okay, can you tell me where is the lunch box? Where is the lunch box, Annie?
The lunchbox was
Is
on it's on it's on the
next to
it's on the
next to 不是 on
next to the
table.
table.
Yes, very good. Now, where is the dictionary?
The
Where is the dictionary? Where is the dictionary, Annie? Here, it's in two. Two. Okay. A dictionary or the dictionary is under the sofa. Okay, can you tell me where is the water bottle?
water bottle next to the bookshelf.
Very good. Where is the folder?
Folder was the folder next to
洗完澡为什么不
The
从上
folder
去呢
is on Annie on
the desk.
okay on the chair. Green chair.
On the green chair.
Okay, yes, very good. Can you tell me where is the calculator?
你看上面
A calculator was on the we go.
Okay, and where is the stapler? Where is the stapler?
Stapler under the desk.
Okay, yes, there you have it, Annie. By the way, Annie, you have to um observe the question. Like, for example, if I'd ask you, where is? Okay, so which means I am talking about what is its position right now. Okay, so you can say, the dictionary is. Okay, you will still use is. However, if I would ask you, where was? Okay, where was? So I will be asking you where certain things was positioned before. Okay, just like in here. Have you observed? I ask you what was on the table since we are asking about before and after here. So, where was a folder was on the table before, Annie? However, now, after. So, where is the dictionary? The dictionary is, okay, is under the sofa. Okay, just that one, Annie. Thank you so much. And now, let us have your workbook. Okay, so can you tell me the answer for the first one? Can you unscramble it? What do you think is that? Or you can give me the answer for the second one first while you're thinking for one. What is it, Annie? This one, two. I can't hear you, Annie. What is your answer here?
Water bottle.
Okay, very good. Water bottle. Okay, very good. Okay, now what about this one? What is it? Or you can give me the answer for one if you know it now. What do you think is it, Annie?
衣服句怎么说了？
Select.
Okay, it starts with S. It's stay. What is it? Stapler. Okay, stapler, Annie. What about three? What is it?
Lunchbox.
Very good. There you have it. Lunch box. Okay, next one. Four. It's It is a long word. What do you think is it? It starts with D. Very good. Dictionary. Okay, dictionary. Very good. What about this one? What is it?
Author.
Okay, very good.
Folder.
Yes, folder. And six. It's What do you think? It starts with C.
Calculator.
Okay, any calculator. Okay, well done. Don't worry, Annie. You will encounter these words as we continue with the activities, so you will remember them more. Okay, now can you tell me what is it? It's a
Water bottle.
very good. What is it?
It's a lunch box.
Very good. What is it?
It's a border.
Very good. What is it? What do you think? Can you remember it?
Black.
Okay, stapler. Stapler. Yes. What is it? It starts with D.
It. It.
Diction.
Diction.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, dictionary. Okay, and what about this? What is this? What is it, Annie?
It's a. It.
It's a cow.
Liter.
Okay, calculator. Okay, yes, that is right. Calculator. Now let us have this one, Annie. Remember, this are the positions of the things yesterday. Okay, now can you tell me where was the dictionary? It was.
Where was the dictionary?
Yeah, where was it?
It was
It
on
was.
the table.
Okay, very good. Now, what about for two? Where was the lunchbox?
Where was the lunchbox? It was next to the folder.
Okay, very good. Next to the folder. Where was the stapler?
Where was the stapler? It was
It was.
under the water bottle.
Mm-hmm. Stapler, Annie. It was under the. Here's the stapler, right? It was under the. What is it? Yes, under the chair. Now, where was the water bottle?
Where was the water bottle? It was on. It was on the folder.
Okay, yes, on the folder since it is on the surface or on top of the folder. Great job. So now let us have this one. What was on the table? A blank and a blank on the table. Okay, can you do this, Annie? What was on the table, Annie?
Uh,
What was on the table? Ah, okay, a dictionary.
and a calculator. letter
Okay.
letter on the table.
Was. Okay. Calculator. Was any was on the table. Okay, now what about for 2? Can you complete the question?
What uh, under the chair?
Okay, what was under
The
the
chair.
chair?
And the chair.
Okay, a stapler was under the chair. Now what about for 3?
What was on the folder?
Okay, what was on the folder?
It was
Ah,
a water bottle.
was
Was water bottle.
okay, a water bottle
Was on stapler.
okay, in the folder. Okay, just like this
Folder.
one. Yes. Since we are asked what was on the folder, right? What was on the folder? A water bottle was on the folder, Annie. That is the correct answer there. Now, what about 4? Can you complete the question?
What was next to the calculator?
Very good. Can you tell me what was next to the calculator?
It was next to
Ah,
our dictionaries.
mm-hmm.
Dictionaries.
Okay, a
No.
dictionary was
Was next
next to
next to
the
the calculator.
Okay, yes, very good, Annie. I can see that you are trying your best, Annie. Don't worry, we will have a quick review if you will not master this one tonight. Okay, so now let us have the grammar animations of Unit 8, Lesson 1. For a moment, let me prepare it real quick, Annie. Okay, so let me stop sharing and let me share my screen again. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to match it. Where was the lunch box? Okay, there you have it. Next one, where was the stapler? Okay, where was the dictionary? And of course, well done, very good, Annie. Next one we have here, find if there is an incorrect word in the sentence and you have to make it correct. Okay, so where is the calculator yesterday? Is it tick or cross? Mm-hmm. Okay. So it seems like you are very sure of your answer, Annie. Now, as you can see, we have here the word yesterday. When we say yesterday, it was the day before today, right? So we will not use is, Annie. It is incorrect. It should be was. Okay. So if we have yesterday, last week, last month, last year, we will not use is, any, always was. Okay. Past events. Now, next one. It was on the desk. Okay, yes, this is the answer of the previous question. Very good. It is a tick. Now, where was a dictionary? Yes, it is incorrect. Now, can you tell me how do we make this sentence or question correct, Annie?